Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. If you're getting P0340 to P0349, circuit low, circuit high, circuit range performance, I'm going to tell you guys what is the most likely issue and what you're going to experience when you're getting these codes. The reason why you're getting P0340 to P0349 is because the engine control module, which is the computer, is receiving incorrect or missing data or inconsistent data coming from the camshaft position sensor. If the engine control module cannot receive reliable data from the camshaft position sensor because it is failing, then the engine control module have no idea how fast the camshaft is rotating. And if the engine control module have no idea how fast the camshaft is rotating, this will definitely affect ignition timing, and this will affect how fuel is sprayed into the engine. What symptoms are you most likely going to encounter when you're getting P0340 to P0349? And the first and most common symptom is going to be rough idle. If you're experiencing rough idle and you're getting these codes, the first thing I recommend is removing the camshaft position sensor from the cylinder head. Next, you want to get a shop rag and you want to clean it, because this camshaft position sensor is magnetic and there's probably a lot of metal shaving on it, or if there's a lot of dirt or sludge in the engine oil, this will coat on the outside of the camshaft position sensor, and this will definitely affect signal. So take a sharp rag and wipe the camshaft position sensor until it is clean. It is not necessary to use carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, and from my experience, all you need is a sharp rag and that will do the job. Now, if the camshaft position sensor completely fell, caused by either a faulty sensor or a wire issue, or the connection came loose, or a lot of engine oil went on the camshaft position sensor, on the connection and wire, this can definitely cut off signal and you're going to experience another symptom. Now, if the engine control module is no longer receiving data from the camshaft position sensor because it lost signal coming from it, the engine control module will try to get data from the crankshaft position sensor, and they'll try to get data from the throttle body, and so on. If your engine control module is no longer receiving data from the camshaft position sensor, you're going to experience the following symptom. You're going to experience hard start, no start, random stalling while driving. You're going to experience an engine misfire, and you're going to see the check engine light flashing on the dashboard. If you replace the camshaft position sensor and you check the connection, you check the wires, and they're good, and the code won't go away, then you probably have a mechanical issue. So you want to inspect the camshaft and you want to inspect timing on it, because that would definitely affect how the camshaft position sensor is going to receive data. If you must, most likely you have to remove the valve cover to inspect the reluctor wheel on the camshaft, and make sure there are no damage on the reluctor wheel. You want to make sure the teeth are not broken, and you want to make sure nothing is coating on it, because sometimes you could have a lot of sludge on it, and this can definitely affect how the camshaft position sensor is going to receive data. And lastly, make sure your camshaft is not cracked. Nowadays, manufacturers like to use inferior material, and the camshaft tends to crack under load. I hope you found this video useful. As I'll thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.